I see Code already ripping. Code, what's up, buddy?
Hey, boy.
What's up, man?
We might be saying goodbye to a quad this weekend, laddies.
Which quad would that be, dude?
The one and only.
Shoot, guys, let me get out of the van and we'll get into today's video. Tell him, dude.
Well, got an offer from a guy Danny works with, and offer was right, so he's checking out to check out the quad this weekend and see if he actually wants it.
I'm almost 100% sure, guys, he's gonna buy it. He's already been looking up stuff for it and everything, so Big Blue is probably gonna be gone.
Almost quad.
How you feel about that, man?
Honestly, it honestly hurts a little bit. Not gonna lie.
On the bigger and better, though, right, man?
Yeah.
This one is still not running perfect,
It's
so.
one of the originals.
Yeah.
On the channel, which is pretty gnarly when you think about it after all that we've added, but yeah, I think I'm gonna miss it a little bit.
But anyway, guys, I brought Cody a few of my old bumpers, and we're gonna take these really nice Tuss ones off and send him with some shittier ones because he's already getting a deal, man.
True.
It works for both people. It works for Cody. It works for the guy that's
I wanted to have something to remember the quad by, so.
Yeah. So guys, that's what's up for today's video. We'll probably see Cody taking on the trails for one of the last times, dude.
Yeah, do that before. I probably should wash it up a little bit, and then yeah, then she's gonna be sitting, waiting for the buyer.
All right, guys. We'll see you till we get to there. Tell them what you're doing, Cody. Like I said, this guy's already getting a good deal, so we're taking a lot of the aftermarket parts off, including this wheel and tire combination. What are you putting back on? The old black ones? The old black ones that were just on my YFZ, guys, that have little to no tread on them. The rim's actually not in bad shape, though.
Hopefully won't be too pissed when he sees all this.
He probably won't even care.
Danny boy's old YF, the black and red one.
Well, guys, not a fan of DG, so... You know what? It's not wrong. He's not wrong about that. I absolutely hated that bumper.
Oh, we gotta put something on it though. It's gotta have something in there, man. It looks freaking naked without it.
Code, I think you should have took off that one over there. Put this one on a long time ago. Damn, that looks good.
I know you're being sarcastic.
I hate it still. This one's way nicer. Cleaned up.
Cody. That's Cody. That's Cody. A little memorabilia.
Code, today's the day, man. How you feeling?
A little sad, but so I think it's meant to be, you know. Looking at something newer. Not really sure yet. So honestly, give me suggestions in the comments of what you guys want to see. I don't really know what I'm looking for yet, but big things are coming.
I think the only stipulation, guys, is we probably want something fuel injected. What do you say about that, Code?
Yeah.
We live in Minnesota.
You know, I've lived the carb life my entire life, so I mean, I'd be open to something carb too. So.
Like a TRX, brother?
TRX.
2014?
Or the 2012.
Yeah. That'd be sweet.
I really like those 3 years.
But yeah, guys, sad day. We're losing a member of the fleet, but it's just...
Big things are coming.
He really hasn't rode it, you know.
I do love this freaking thing. It's gonna haunt me a little bit, but you know.
Time has come, right, dude?
Time has come.
But anyway, guys, we have our buddy coming out here. Check it out. We don't know how much filming we'll actually do, but we'll be sure to pick up the camera after if that's the case.
Yeah, well, you'll probably see it leave the lock compound. But yeah, playing the waiting game now.
What do you think, Jess? How's she feel?
She rips. Lost my hand.
That's what we thought. We probably thought you didn't want to get off and fucking kill it or something. Yeah, she runs pretty good. Like I said,
it's just that goddamn piece that sucks when you have to start it. Just squeeze it down. But it seems to be running. Yeah.
like I said, it's probably been running the best it ever has. Right now. Wouldn't you say, Code?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm pretty sure you could find probably a pretty cheap one on Amazon to try out too, you know.
I've already been looking at parts before.
Last time ever on it. She's gone, dude.
Why? She's gone.
Little bit of regrets or what's up?
You're about to ride for a little bit, but as I said earlier in the video, give me comments on what you guys want me to buy, what you guys want to see on the channel. And yeah, I'm really not sure what the plan is. We're calling it now.
Yeah, we're calling it.
Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.